Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get support in your AOL Mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to get support in AOL Mail, you just simply have to open AOL Mail in any of your browsers. I'm opening AOL Mail in this Chrome browser here. After opening your AOL Mail, you will see these icons here. You just simply have to click on this question mark icon in order to get support or help here. If you are a premium AOL user, you can directly get support by calling this number. But if you are a normal free user, just simply go to the Help for Email section by clicking on this tab. Now, after opening this tab in your browser, you will get something like this interface. Now, after coming here, you will get so many questions and answers here. Just simply find the support that you want. And if you didn't get the problem that you are searching the solutions for, you can also use the search option here. You can simply search your problem in this tab, and after searching, similar options will appear, and you can find your problems and solutions here. By following these very easy steps, you can easily get support in your AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.